Hello students, welcome back to NEET series 101. Hope you guys are doing good. And yes, this is not a ray optics problem. I've gotten bored of it. So I'm starting with the current electricity. And this one here is a little bit easier. I think it's very easy because I'm just, warming it up. Yeah. So here they're asking for the ratio of currents in 3 ohm and 1 ohm resistor. You guys know I'm going to draw down the circuit. Yeah, obviously. So there's a 3 ampere of current going through 1 ohm resistor, and it splits up into I1 and I2, and one goes through 3 ohm resistor and the other one goes through 6 ohm resistor. Yeah. Yes. So just to brush up the basics from 10 standard, we know that the resistors connected in series, for them the current is same but potential is different. And for the resistors connected in parallel, the potential is same but the current is different. Yes. So which makes this one here as V1 and this one here as V2. Yes. So we know that for resistors connected in parallel, the total resistance is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, and for in series it is R1 plus R2. So if you do the calculation, you'll have the total resistance is 3 ohms, and yes, yeah, this is what we're going to find. Now what about the total potential? Yeah, we know that the total current is 3 and total resistance is 3. So V is equal to I into R, which we have 9 volt. Yes. Now what about V1? Again, it is I into R, which is 3 into 1. So V1 is 3. Subtract it from 9 and we'll have V2 is 6. Yeah. So I think you guys know what to do next, right? I'm just beating around a dead horse. So I is equal to V2 by 3, which is 6 by 3, which is 2 ampere. So we know that I1 by I2 is 2 by 3, which is option B. Ta-da, there you go. So if this was fun, try out this question. This is more fun, yeah? And we also have Tommy here to help you. So for more resources, check out our official website. You guys know the drill. Contact me if you have any more questions. We're definitely making learning physics fun. Thank you guys. See you.